In this video, I'm going to explain why I've not gotten much subscribers for my channel. So let me head to my YouTube studio. So this is my YouTube studio. As you can see, I have only 2 subscribers. Okay, so the reason why I've not been able to get more subscribers for my channel is pretty basic. Okay, first and foremost, I've not been able to optimize my channel keywords. Okay, whenever you have a YouTube channel, make sure that the contents you have in your video, you extract some of the keywords, okay, and put it in your channel keyword section. That way YouTube will be very sure of the kind of niche you actually deal with. Okay, another thing you also need to consider is collaboration. There is a feature on YouTube studio app that allows you to collaborate with other creators. Okay, right now the version for this my phone now doesn't accept the latest one, so that is why I cannot easily show you. So but just take note that, okay, whenever you are having a channel, just make sure the keywords are related to the content of the video you are trying to do, okay, and nothing else. Another thing is that you also need to make collaboration with other creators. So those are just the 2 most important things you need to consider if you want to grow your YouTube channel. Okay, so thanks for watching this, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video.